Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to import memories to Gemini. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go to the App Store, and then in the search bar what you need to do is simply type Gemini. You need to wait a few seconds, and once the loading finishes simply tap on the Google Gemini. Here what you need to do is simply update it to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, simply go to the Gemini app. Then what you need to do is simply tap on the two white lines in the top left corner of the screen. Here you need to tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the import memory to Gemini. Simply tap on it. Here you can see paste your info here, so you can just simply paste it here. But before doing that, if you want to copy it from ChatGPT, simply type the copy prompt and then go to the ChatGPT. You can simply just paste it in the message box to ChatGPT, and then it will get all of your information. As you can see, once you get the information, simply copy it, go to the Gemini, and you can simply just paste it here. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.